Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the weird trippy effect that you may see in music videos such as Skepta's. Did I say teaching? What? Did I say teaching? Regardless, I'm just going to keep it quick, short. I'm going to leave links down below to videos I got my information from, so you can then go watch them and hopefully learn something as well. But yeah, so what you want to do first is you want to head into your video track and grab the tint effect. This is the way I've done it. Grab the tint effect, drop it onto your video. After you've got the tint effect, you then want to go into the geometry color section and apply these settings. Well, those are the settings I got from the video and I liked. Once you have the settings you want, you want to go in the curve section. Now, I know nothing about curves. Like, I genuinely know zero about color correcting. Mess about, do whatever you think looks good. And once you have the look you want, you then want to go to the effects tab, grab the invert filter, apply that to your video section, and then mess about, pick whatever channel you want, and well, there you have it. Quick, short and snappy, done. However, you can have it so you can keyframe and change the channel, make it fade out, make it fade in, like now, how it's doing right now. But yeah, you can have it fade in, fade out, change the channel. As long as you keyframe it. The keyframing is quite sudden, it doesn't go as smooth. However, you know, have it fade out and fade in and it'll look seamless. Anyway, yeah, here's some examples. You can mess about, do whatever you want. Here's another example I've done. I had some lights coming in, and I got this fucking scary ass look. I'm sorry, that face. That face is terrifying. I swear to God, that is. It looks like a miniature Pennywise, kind of like just with the smile in the eyes. It's just, it's scary. Anyway, I want to say that was actually the video editing that makes my face look like that, but in that frame, it's just my face. But yeah, anyway, quick, short, and snappy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, and stick around for future content. I won't be doing many editing ones, considering I don't have much knowledge to pass on or to even share, but if I do get something I like, I will share it. Anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Kings and Queens. Solid. I think that was solid. Nice little first video. Decent.